In this video, we will uncover the shocking mistake that's blocking your path to prosperity, as revealed by Catherine Ponder in her groundbreaking book, Open Your Mind to Receive. Pay close attention because if financial abundance always seems just out of reach, it's likely due to this one critical error. I'll explain exactly what this mistake is and how to overcome it. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below sharing your current relationship with wealth. Comment: Wealth flows to me effortlessly. Your words have power, so let them echo into the universe and attract the prosperity you deserve. Now, if you don't believe in the law of attraction, this video might not be for you. But if you're ready to transform your financial reality, stick around till the end. I'll share a mind-blowing story about a housewife who unlocked a flood of unexpected wealth simply by changing one daily habit. Trust me, you won't want to miss this game-changing secret that could revolutionize your approach to money and success. Catherine Ponder, in her game-changing book Open Your Mind to Receive, drops a truth bomb that will rock your world. She says, "Open your mind to receive, for the universe eagerly awaits to shower you with the limitless prosperity that is rightfully yours." Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. Most of us aren't mentally ready for this abundance. Think about it. How often have you caught yourself saying things like, "I'll never be rich," or "money is always a struggle"? It's like we're putting up a no vacancy sign for wealth. This mental barrier is the hidden culprit behind our financial struggles. It's not about working harder or finding the perfect job. It's about rewiring our minds to welcome prosperity. Imagine your mind as a garden. Those negative thoughts about money are the weeds choking out the flowers of abundance. Our job is to pull out those weeds and plant seeds of prosperity instead. But here's the good news. Once you identify this barrier, you're already halfway to breaking it down. It's all about shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance. And trust me, when you make this shift, you'll be amazed at how quickly things can change. All right, let's dive into a story that will really drive this home. Meet Sarah, not her real name, a housewife who thought she had the law of attraction all figured out. She was doing affirmations, visualizing, the whole 9 yards. But there was one tiny problem. She kept referring to her income as fixed. It's like she was telling the universe, "Nah, I'm good with what I've got." Talk about putting a cap on your own success. But here's where it gets interesting. One day, Sarah had an aha moment. She realized her mistake and decided to flip the script. She started saying, "I am receiving. I'm getting it now. I'm getting all the wealth the universe has for me right now." And guess what happened? Within hours, yes, you heard that right, hours, she got a call from a cable company. They wanted her to create a series based on her work with disabled children. Talk about a golden opportunity. But it didn't stop there. Her husband's furniture repair business suddenly started booming. It was like the floodgates of prosperity had opened. Sarah's story shows us the power of our words and beliefs. By simply changing how she talked about her income, she opened herself up to a world of possibilities. This isn't just about positive thinking. It's about aligning your thoughts, words, and beliefs with the abundance you want to receive. When you do that, you're essentially giving the universe the green light to shower you with prosperity. It's time to roll up our sleeves and do some mental spring cleaning. We've seen how Sarah transformed her life, so now let's focus on you. First things first, we need to identify those limiting beliefs that are holding you back. Take a moment and ask yourself, what thoughts about money keep popping up in your mind? Maybe you believe wealth is only for certain types of people, or perhaps you think making money has to be a struggle. Here's the thing. These beliefs are like old, dusty furniture cluttering up your mind. They're taking up space where abundance should be flourishing. So it's time to kick that furniture to the curb. But we're not just removing the old, we're bringing in the new. For every limiting belief you identify, we're going to replace it with an empowering one. Instead of "money is hard to come by," try "money flows to me easily and abundantly." Swap out "I'll never be rich" for "I am a magnet for wealth and success." This isn't about denying reality or fooling yourself. It's about opening your mind to new possibilities. Remember, your beliefs shape your reality. By changing your beliefs, you're literally rewiring your brain to spot opportunities and attract abundance. Think of it like tuning a radio. Right now, you might be tuned to the scarcity station. We're going to help you find the abundance frequency, and once you're tuned in, you'll be amazed at what you start to receive. Now, I can almost hear some of you thinking, come on, can simply saying some words really change my financial situation? And to that, I say absolutely. Words have power, my friend. They shape our reality in ways we often don't realize. Remember Sarah from our earlier story? Her whole life changed just by shifting her words. That's the magic of affirmations. They're like seeds you plant in your subconscious mind, and with consistent nurturing, they grow into your new reality. So here's what I want you to do. Every morning when you wake up and every night before you go to bed, look in the mirror and say these magic words. I am receiving. I'm getting it now. I'm getting all the wealth the universe has for me right now. Say it with feeling. Say it like you mean it. Because guess what? The universe is listening, and it's ready to deliver. But here's the key: consistency is crucial. You can't just say it once and expect miracles. Make it a daily practice. Let these words become part of your identity. And don't just limit yourself to financial affirmations. Create affirmations for all areas of your life where you want to see abundance. I am worthy of love and respect. I attract amazing opportunities. I am healthy and full of energy. Remember, your words are powerful. They're the paintbrush with which you create your life. So choose them wisely, speak them confidently, and watch as your reality begins to shift. All right, money magnets, we've talked about mindset and affirmations, but now it's time to put some fuel in this prosperity engine. Because here's the thing, it's not just about saying the words, it's about aligning your actions with your new prosperity mindset. When you start shifting your thoughts and words, you're going to notice something magical happening. Opportunities will start popping up in the most unexpected places. Maybe you'll get a brilliant idea for a side hustle, or perhaps a friend will mention a great investment opportunity. This is the universe responding to your new vibration. But here's the crucial part. You've got to be ready to answer when opportunity knocks. This is where inspired action comes in. It's not about hustling 24/7 or burning yourself out. It's about being open, alert, and ready to act when the right opportunity presents itself. Start by tuning into your intuition, that little voice inside. It's your inner guidance system, and it's a lot smarter than you might think. When you get a hunch or a sudden inspiration, don't brush it off, explore it. Also, surround yourself with people who support your new prosperity mindset. Join networking groups, attend workshops, or find a mentor who's achieved the kind of success you're aiming for. Remember, the universe works in mysterious ways, and your next big break could come from the most unexpected places. So keep your eyes open, your mind receptive, and your actions aligned with your goals. Remember, you have the power to manifest your desires and create a life of abundance. Start affirming your own prosperity, and watch as the universe conspires to bring you wealth, success, and joy.